Yes, good morning guys, welcome back. Today we are diving in to see Tesla charts. So today video is very important to see where is Tesla heading to, and also we want to see what catalyzers will take Tesla high. So we are going to see all of the charts right now guys. Personally, I see Tesla is anytime you see the red like today, and I'm going to tell you maybe the price that we are watching. So right now let's start on weekly. On long term we have on this a nice uptrend here. So let's pull like this one to be more specifically. So it bounces around this area. Let me make clear, because this is the uptrend line that I'm watching on TSL every time. And so Tesla and Solana, for me personally, it has the same chart. And maybe let me finish Tesla and then Solana. So this on weekly, we have this on downtrend. So it was our high here around 489. It came, we tested here around 370, and we rejected, and then we came again, we rejected. So that's a downtrend. And the support, the same thing, what bounces here. Remember, every candle represented 5 days of trading days. So this week right now, today is Friday, and you see Tesla, it didn't do anything much between 336 to 355. That what Tesla move on market here. We are on the above zero, which is telling you any dip you see on Tesla you should buy. Probably next week is going to be huge on for Tesla. And when you see my charts over here, we have this red cloud here, which is where sellers have been selling between 360. Guys, when this red cloud you see it disappear, then that's when Tesla is going to rocket. So right now it's still there, and sellers are always heavy on 356 to 360. So when you see down on, remember I'm always using MACD like to control. Remember, when you are doing something, you have to use this one to tell you what's the momentum. So you can keep switching the indicators, some other indicators, but we'll keep put on MACD because it's a symbol above zero. It was bullish, and when Tesla broke from this area around 309, that was the time to buy Tesla. So where is our next support? So our next support will be going to be 327. So is it going to be hit today, maybe Monday morning, or today? I don't know. Remember that for Tesla, 320 something is not $10 for Tesla. It has to drop like something like 4% to hit this area. And if you want to see how many percent if Tesla will come down to test this support, it's going to be 5%. So that will be 5% to come to 320 something, around 324. That will be 4%, and that will be like negative $13. So when you see up here, you will see very well, like market on 4 hour chart is already sending, and we are watching these pairs which is being pushed Tesla from 315 or to 320. Those are at the huge volume came in, push Tesla to hit this resistance, which is 360. That 360 is heavy for Tesla. And when you come like 45 minutes, if you are looking for a Henry, your Henry on Tesla around this price, which is so this is another thing. On 45 minutes now, you see the price step in on 337, send the Tesla to 356, and now Tesla. So we are watching this 337 if it's going to hold. So if 337 will hold, it will go to 3 all the way to 320. So we have difference of $15 or $17, which Tesla is going to do. So anything, remember there is that is going on market right now, and that's why you see most of the stock is coming down, because data is, they're doing on data. So you see the first short sellers today came on 349, push stock all the way, he came and tested, and the new sellers around 344 when market open today. And we are watching. So this one, and which ETF now. So remember, on Tesla, I don't buy the Tesla, I will buy TSLL and the TLC. So I switch it from Tesla TSLL, and I'm using TSLG, which is leverage to Tesla, and it's very cheap right now. It's $36, and the next support is going to be 5.6. so this one now I'm accumulating slowly by slowly, because I know Tesla is going to be next peaking this next month, and all of this until the end of the year. So I've told you 566 is going to be our next support. This is where you should buy to drop like $1, and resistance always going to be 7 on TSLG ETF. So I'm always going more in ETF, because I know very well, like it's going to double. This one, if Tesla is going to hit $1,000, this one is going to be, this one is going to be around $60. So if Tesla go 300%, this one is going to 600%, and 600 with 6 times, it's going to around $40. Guys, I don't have much to say. This is the sum of the ETF you should buy. So on daily now, you see I've already drawn you a downtrend. It was the season came down, went, and it bounces and it went. So anytime you see this one, you should buy. And the TSLL ETF also is around $12 right now, and it's the same thing. It's only that one is more cheaper than TSL is more expensive than TSLG. And if you want more shares, here we go now. So this, remember, this was the first breakout, and then we have this one now. Are we going to guys, I don't know what to say. I promise you I will do about Solana, to show you the chart for Solana. I will not do the technicals. I will post a video for Solana later, but Solana and Tesla, it has the same chart. Yeah, you see over here, and you see right now over here we have the same thing. Either you buy Solana at the 209, or you buy Tesla at 330s. All of them is going to the same price. Thanks so much, and I see you on next video.